Morning guys, just out here today having a little look around. Have a look at that sunrise, would you? Absolutely fantastic. We've got Daniel over here. He's an international photographer, been all over the world, coming out for a bit of a look.
Howdy.
He's keeping me company. We're finding all sorts of little treasures out here in the middle of nowhere, and we're going to see if we can get some decent shots. Hopefully I can make some sort of an artwork out of this Outback monstrosity. No, what would you call it, Daniel? Not a monstrosity, Outback marvel.
Oasis, mate.
Oasis, beautiful. See, this is why I always bring the brains of the outfit along. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that beautiful ochre there in that what is that in the ground? You don't want to get too sophisticated with it. So I've got an artist and a photographer, and I love it. Oh, look at that, Dan. The sun's just hitting those peaks over there.
Yeah,
Look at that, man. Sun's just hitting.
right.
Oh, that looks magic. See that?
Yeah, guys.
There you go. See the photographer's eye there? Look at that. And it's got the windmill and everything in there. Right. See? Outback sculptures. Have a look at the light. Look at that light just capturing. I just love the corrosion. Oh no, not right there of all places, Dan.
Yeah, it comes up as this.
Did you drop it just then?
No, before.
Today?
Yeah.
That happened today?
Yeah, shadow
You
line.
wouldn't believe it.
Shadow line goes straight through there like that. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, I can't see it.
Yeah, you can see it, all right. What a blow.
Yeah.
Well, hang on.
Yeah, I'm so annoyed with that phone.
Oh, I can't believe that. Out of all the places it could hit, it has to hit right on that. That's something I'd do, man. Just jumped out the car for a second because these clouds look fantastic with that backdrop. Mandatory crow trying to video bomb my little scene. That's beautiful. Looks like a mine over there, down halfway up. Well, someone's had a little dig. You'd come across them and they've usually got like Rio over them.
Yep. I reckon that's a truck, mate.
Where? You reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah, still out there though. It's pretty vast. I know, it looks good, doesn't it? Lowy. What they call big sky country.
Yep. Big sky.
Yep. Yeah, g'day guys. I'm just going to jump in here really quick and have a look at that beautiful big swirl in those clouds there. I think they look amazing. The vast country is just so quiet and awe-inspiring. So if you'd like to grab any of those scenes, please feel free to do so. And just the amount of old structures that are out there is just amazing. You wouldn't want to go and walk that countryside at night time, especially without having a torch or anything like that, because these old structures are hundreds of years old, and who knows, you could end up at the bottom of a mine. So you've got to be really careful if you do travel out to Broken Hill and those surrounding areas, Silverton, all those areas. But I just really loved that industry meeting that sort of vastness. So quiet out here today. It's just absolutely amazing. And just the amount of hard work, hard labour. Look at that big head structure there. Obviously, that would be the head. I'm not sure what they call the head stope or whatever they called. That goes down into the mine. There would have been more to that structure. But just these amazing times. It would have been 40, 50 degree heat out here. And these guys just somehow managed to eke a living from this very, very rugged and harsh landscape. As you can see, rocks. It's so vast and it is beautiful, and there's ochres that come out of these lovely stones and rocks and formations. I can see why artists do congregate from all over the world to this area. It is quite an arty town, Broken Hill, and I must admit I do feel well at home, even though I'm not a native born to the area. But just have a look at those rocks. They're just I don't know, the light that captures them can be different at any time of the day. So you can come out here, this is fairly early in the morning, the whole landscape would change in the afternoon. Yeah, I know, but then it's sort of tricky because it's got the side of it.
No, I reckon it's too small for it.
No, it's too small.
It's got to be human.
What is it, guys? See you guys out there in YouTube world. What is this car? There has to be some sort of markings on it.
Pop the hood.
Yeah, yeah. I should have bought a Holden.
Hold me, get up.
There's a painting there. There's a painting there, guys. I don't know what it is, but it's a wreck out in the middle of nowhere. We're about 5 k's probably west, I'd say, of Silverton, in an old mining area where there used to be a railway coming through here. Used to be quite an industry. We've got this old car there. I think that's a classic painting. See if I can get down a little bit. Don't know what elevation, but I think that's probably the best. With that tree, that looks magnificent. Go away, fly. I've got flies crawling over my camera. Excellent. So if we can come around here a little bit, get a little bit more of it. At least it gets a bit of shade in the afternoon. What a classic. Gonna write a classic. Nice work, Dan. Wonder what it is. Just think this has had families and all sorts of people in it.
Yep.
Back seat there, looks like it's seen better days. Petrol tank's still in place.
Yeah, I saw that.
Gonna ride a classic. And if you like these old wrecks in the Outback, there's so many good little scenes there. This one's a classic as well. And like I said, if you're watching this on telly, you can always go back to your phone and watch it through your phone. And then if you like any of these scenes, just do a still frame of your phone, and Bob's your uncle. It's awesome.